tomorrow. Now I feel so hollow, 'cause you got me daydreaming of you. Got me up all night, got me up all night, just waiting on two chances on the line, paying parking fines and placating the rules, seeing different sights, reaching different heights, in order to prove tickets for that flight over city lights were worth that price.